Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Couldn't count the amount of flower buds ready to open on this gorgeous camellia. Camellia called Mary Williams, and Camellia Mary Williams is an excellent camellia. Flowers non-stop over about 11 weeks altogether from first to last flower, just starting to open now. They're perfect in pots and containers or out in open ground. Important to have them sheltered from early morning sun. Early morning sun after a nice frost will make a right mess of the flowers, so be careful that the first sun of the day doesn't hit Camellia Mary Williams. But whether we're finding a spot for container or open ground, trained against the wall or freestanding, can be planted from now. So it's normal planting, super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom, swell by compost and soil on top, and the same banking around, and then feed regularly with our high iron formula. We'll send some of that out when we're sending out camellias to you, and you dress them every 4 to 6 weeks, starting around March, April time and finishing up in October, and that way you're going to have all these flower buds every year, healthy foliage and a healthy root system. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.